Before you begin, familiarize yourself with all the components that make up the Seymour SprayWise custom color filling system. The SprayWise system includes the filling cylinder, the filling cup and seating collar, a reusable plastic plunger and filling cap, and the Seymour SprayWise pre-charged aerosol cans. To begin, remove the cap and spray tip from the pre-charged can. Place the filling cup onto the top of the can and firmly press down to snap the filling cup in place. Slide the can with the filling cup attached into the filling cylinder. Insert the filling cap into the filling cup and firmly press down to ensure a snug fit. You can now pour your paint into the plastic filling cup, up to the max line indicated just below the cup lip. Place the seating collar over the filling cup. Install the reusable plunger onto the SprayWise machine by rotating it clockwise, about a quarter turn, and ensure the plunger is all the way in. Carefully slide the prepped filling cylinder into place at the base of the SprayWise machine. Crank the handle clockwise to start advancing the plunger down and continue until the plunger reaches the bottom of the plastic filling cup. Once the plunger is bottomed out, retract the plunger by rotating the hand crank counterclockwise until the plunger clears the top of the seating collar. Remove the collar, filling cap, cup, and aerosol can from the cylinder. Reinstall the spray tip, shake well, and your SprayWise can is now ready to use as desired. The plunger and plastic filling cap can be reused up to 12 times for filling cans of the same color. If filling different colors within a session is desired, simply wash and clean the cap and plunger before each color change. For more information, visit SeymourPaint.com. Seymour, quality paints and coatings since 1949.